Now, in the part of recommendations, let's take into account that these are for the school improvement. The pedagogical practices should be improved, and this goes hand in hand with other problems, such as the adequate knowledge about the language, which teachers do not have, and the access to electronic resources. Teachers are given one computer, speakers, and a video bin, but they don't use these tools frequently. Also, they are 40 years or older and they don't know how to implement technology to make learning easier or funnier. Um, Teachers should be granted with time to be trained in this language, and they also should be praised by the government for making them to be willing to learn and motivated to teach. And with the pedagogy, teachers should apply some activities that are proposed by the government, such as flashcards, multimedia content like songs and videos. This should be used to teach vocabulary since it makes learning and teaching easier and funnier. Um, the school should pursue the organization that is actually proposing the curriculum, and this should start since transition grades in order not to interrupt or delay the acquisition of language. And also, a revision made by the person in charge of the English area would be very valuable to know if the school is meeting the goals proposed in the curriculum. Also, the school should make some agreements with the new UIS program, Licenciatura en Lenguas Extranjeras con énfasis en inglés. This in order to support the teaching practices in primary school, and this would help the teachers in that school and also the students from the UIS program. The school should adopt and embrace achievable aspects of the suggested curriculum. Let's take into account that this proposal made by the government is very general, it's for the whole country, and each school can have their own exceptions. And for example, in the Santander school, we have many students, and sometimes it's not that easy to achieve all the goals with that amount of students. So they should adopt and embrace the things that they know they can achieve and they can improve with their students in the classrooms. Also, they should reflect more in the guides. They should use these guides as guides, and use them to base their curriculum in that. But this means that they could accommodate, adapt, change, and or eliminate what is necessary to make the curriculum more adaptable to what can be achieved with the resources and materials available, as well as to the school level and goals. Also, at the beginning of each of the 4 periods, a teacher's meeting should be held in order for them to be able to comment, decide, and structure the content, skills, and the standards that they want to be focused on in their classes. And we have the conclusions. We have a very simple and direct conclusion, and is that we already saw that is a very useful to have an organized curriculum. It's an incredible tool, but if this curriculum is not followed, and well, the results that they want to get will not be the results that, for example, the Prueba Saber is going to show. The teaching practices, the learning of the students, and the development of the topic are not going to be met, are not goals achievable or possible to be met if the curriculum is not followed. Well, here you can see our references to be able to do these reports and these presentations. Thank you for your attention and your time.